Good morning, students. Today, let's start our first session in English grammar with the chapter on nouns. And the books that have been prescribed for us are Collins' English Grammar and Composition and Pearson for English Literature. So we'll start with the first chapter in Collins' English Grammar and Composition, and the first chapter is nouns. Nouns, as you know, are words that indicate the names of a person, place, thing, or idea. And there are two main types of nouns: proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns are words which refer to the particular names of people, places, and things. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. For example, Jupiter is the largest planet. So Jupiter will be written in capital letters. Common nouns are words that refer to persons or things of the same kind or a general category. For example, tables, chairs, shops, students, etc. Now, we come to common nouns and their corresponding proper nouns. For example, river. Now, river will be a common noun, but when we say river Godavari or we name the river, for example, the Ganges, then it becomes proper noun. Now we come to the classification of nouns into countable and uncountable nouns. Now, countable nouns are names of things that can be counted. They can be singular or plural. For example, in our class, there are 20 boys and 12 girls. In our classroom, there are 32 chairs and 2 cupboards. A singular noun is the name of a single person, example, satellite and volcano. And a plural noun is the name of more than one person or thing, for example, emperors, fountains, rivers. Now we come to uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are names of things that cannot be counted. They do not have singular or plural forms. For example, I have curd every day in summer. Please add more sugar to my coffee. Buy some bread when you go out. We can indicate the quantity of uncountable nouns in two ways. For example, 2 kilos of sugar, 5 liters of water, 2 loaves of bread, a little rice, much happiness, some juice. Right? So this is the way to measure the quantity of or indicate the quantity of uncountable nouns. Then we come to concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns refer to things that we can touch or see. They can be both countable and uncountable. For example, box, bag, bottle, car, keys, table, milk, etc. Abstract nouns refer to things which we cannot see or touch but only feel. So they include feelings, experiences, states, qualities, and ideas. Now, examples would be love, hate, pride. These are feelings and emotions. States can be comfort, chaos, courage. Qualities and ideas, freedom, truth, belief. Events and experiences would be adventure, drought. Right? So, this is about concrete and abstract nouns. Then we come to collective nouns. Now, collective nouns you must have practiced in your earlier classes also. Collective nouns are nouns that refer to a group of people or things. For example, the class maintained complete silence while the principal was in the room. Other collective nouns include army, jury, troop, family. I'll give you some more examples like a gang of thieves, a gaggle of geese, a bundle of clothes, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of grapes, a swarm of locusts, a crowd of people, a horde of barbarians. So these are some examples of collective nouns, and you should practice more to know and write down more examples of collective nouns. Then I come to material nouns. Material nouns refer to materials or substances used to make things. For example, paper, glass, gold, wood, iron, wool. So, like gold is a good conductor of heat. In this sentence, the material noun would be gold and conductor. Next, jute is one of the cheapest natural fibers. Here, jute and fibers would be material nouns. Plastic is not good for the environment. Here, plastic would be material noun. Rubber is a bad conductor of electricity. Again, rubber and conductor would be material noun. Alright, then we come to compound nouns. Compound nouns are nouns that are formed by combining two or more words. That is, compound nouns are formed by combining words belonging to different parts of speech. For example, noun plus noun, that is, tooth plus brush, will make toothbrush. Adjective plus noun. Adjective can be green, noun would be house, and it would become greenhouse. Again, noun plus verb. Noun would be hair, verb can be cut, and it would become haircut. Verb plus adverb. Verb can be take, and adverb would be off, and the compound noun would be take off. Compound nouns can be written as a single word like firewood, bedroom, pancake, or a hyphenated word like check-in, dry cleaning, jack in the box. Spaced word like bus stop, water bottle, post office. Here there is a space between bus and stop. Between water and bottle there is space. Between post and office there is space. Alright, then plurals of compound nouns can be formed in different ways by adding s to the main noun. For example, mothers-in-law, editors-in-chief. By adding s to the end word like assistant directors, water bottles. By making both nouns plural, men servants. By adding s or es to the end of the word when there is no obvious principal noun. Forget-me-nots, toothbrushes. Got it? Alright. Now, there is a worksheet which is following this session, and try to do the worksheet, and we will revise the worksheet in the next session. We'll try to solve it. Hope you must have understood quite a bit about nouns. So just see this video and try to grasp the main things and the main points relating to nouns and try to solve the worksheet. That's all for today. Thank you.